Quick reading for February the 9th to February the 10th. Virgo, we have the Chariot, the 10 of Wands, and the 8 of Wands. Magsisimula, no, itong time na kahit malayo si person, malayo dahil nasa ibang lugar, malayo dahil malayo yung loob niya sa atin, nagkaroon tayo ng diskusyon, no, ng challenges sa relationship. Parang kahit na in physical form, medyo hindi kayo nagkikita, medyo hindi kayo touchy, somewhat mapapansin mo na meron pa rin communication, no? Whether this is a simple, hello, kamusta na, no? Or kahit pagalit, no? Kahit medyo pabalang, merong pa rin communication. Hindi talaga totally off. Ito yung mga araw na mapapansin mo na siguro nagsisimula na ulit din ito si person magparamdam, no? Through messages, through calls, through text. Ayan. So, mangungulit-ngulit na uli si person sa'yo. This is your quick reading, Virgo, for February the 9th to February the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.